I will show you how to mask in Premiere Pro. Before the 2026 update, the mask tools will be found under each section inside Effects and Tools. Now they've been moved down to the toolbar, and you can find them by long pressing on the Object Mask tool and then selecting your mask tool. And you can create a uniform mask by holding Shift while creating it. And you can resize and move it around like normal. In Effects and Tools, you will now find the mask under the new Unassigned Mask section. And you can track the mask by pressing the track forward and back button. If the tracking is a bit off, you can move back, adjust the mask, and then track again. Now to use the mask, simply click and drag the object mask to the opacity section. You can also right click and then select change to opacity mask. You can smoothen out the mask by increasing the feather value, and to increase the size, you can change the expansion value. To track the mask manually, select the frame option under the preview screen, and Premiere will create keyframes automatically. You can now move forward, adjust the mask, move forward again, and continue tracking the mask manually. And just like earlier, just drag it to the opacity section. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.